Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I want to explain sets. First of all, I define what's meant by set. Set is a well-defined distinct object or symbol. What does it mean? It means that if we say set of books, we cannot keep the marker in the sets because number of books marker is not found. If we say set of markers, we cannot keep it registered because it's not a part of pencil. So we can say that set is a well defined distinct object or symbol. Now we explain how many types of sets. The first type of sets is set of natural number. Natural number is represented by capital N, and it starts with N1, starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Second type of set is set of whole number. Set of whole number means it is represented by W, and it starts with figure 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. It's known as set of whole number. Third type is called as set of integer. It starts with 0 and contains positive as well as negative integer, and it is represented by capital letter W. Set of prime number, it is represented by P and starts with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. It means that a set which has just only two factors, 1 and itself. I write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Set of odd number. Odd number is represented by W. It starts with 1, 3, 5, and 7. Set of odd number mean a set on which 2 is not fully divided. On which 2 is not fully divided. If we divide 2 on odd number, a value, some values remainder are not fully divisible. So we can call it known as odd number. But if we mention set of even number, we start with 0 as positive and negative both value are found. 0 plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 plus 6 minus 6 and so on. A number, a set in which 2 is fully divisible, known as set of even number. Set of rational number. Set of rational number is represented by capital letter Q, and it can be written in a P over Q form, and P and Q belong to integers and Q not equal to 0. The last lecture I will explain deeply for what's meant by rational number and how many types, and how will you identify the rational number from a given long series of numbers. Now we explain subset. First of all, I will define what's meant by subset, and after that I will explain to find the methodology of subset. A set of which all the elements are contained in another set. How to find subset of given number? Subsets of any given set can be found very easily by applying this formula. Formula is 2 whole power n. N mean number of elements. Number of elements mean, I will explain with the example. Look at the board. Find subset of 3, 5, 7. First of all, I will write formula. 2 power n is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 8. It means there are 8 subsets found of this given set 3, 5, 7. First of all, empty set is a subset of every set. After that, we will write singleton set. Singleton set means a set which has just only one value, known as singleton set. We will write single value, empty value, single figure 3, single figure 5 and single figure 7. After that, we will write two figure. It means 3 and 5, 3 and 7, and 5 and 7. When two figures are ended, then we will write the last value 3, 5, 7. Now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means formula shows that there are 8 subset of given set 3, 5, 7. Now I will define proper subset. Proper subset means if A and B are two sets and every element of set A is also an element of set B, but at least one element of set B is not an element of set A, is called subset of B. It means that if we have any two sets A and B, and every element of set A is also part of set B, but at least one element of B is not found in set A, so A is called as subset of B and B is known as superset of A. I will explain in the next lecture with part 2 of finding subset as well as type 2 subset, proper subset, improper subset as well as partial set. I will explain in the next lecture, inshallah.